Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. Those who do not have the magical words of the oral lineage use a self-determined consciousness that is reverted, but they are not liberated by their determinations. Their spirits fall. They lose the meaning of self-luminous certainty. Then others will also have no certainty. Both of them will fall. For this reason, work to please a guru. Then engage in your purpose just as it is. When we rely on the significance of word sounds, we will understand self-luminous awareness. Once we have found certainty, we will not change. We will lose our fear of samsara. We will have no place to fall. This is called the meaning that is sure. In a reality that is like the sky, we cut through the complications of extremes and middles. Just as it is with the heart of the sun, samsara is originally pure. It is primordial Buddhahood. The apparent world is like a mirror that is clear. We arise within it clearly, without position or caste. Like Takshaka's head crown, our rewards are spontaneously realized without our seeking them. Our true nature is like an ocean. It is unmoving, but it sends out waves. This is the experience of oneness. Just as it is with the great Garudas in the sky, they gather beneath a concealment, but are not afraid to hunt. Like a lion who has finished with his great hunt, as one, we are overwhelming and spontaneously perfected. Like the golden island where jewels are pure, our differences clearly are one in their form. Our contemplation is equal to the end of the sky, so where would there be any fathom or measure of it? In this there is no measure of great or small. In this there are no extremes or middles. In this we also have nothing to visualize. So our blessings are also like this. Our pure realm is our body, speech, and mind. Thusness is our virtue, good work, and compassion, and our lack of any position or caste. From Sky Space, the Great Tantra on the Bodhicitta. This is Chapter 11, teaching a way of being in which the bodhicitta is equal to the sky.